dating presidente yan. Putangin na. Dan Fernandez, ang pinakamataas na nakuha mo sa buhay mo, yung maging gobernador ka lang ng Laguna. O, tapos kung makapagbalagit, parang napaganda mo Laguna.
You get more details, you get more kwento. So I'm using words lang, Karen, objectively, because I will, as the subcommittee chairman, I believe it is my responsibility to come up with the first draft of the subcommittee report. Then, sinicirculate niya.
Alam mo ba, na natutunan ko pa dito kay Coco Pimentel na hindi natin alam, na ang isa palang subcommittee, hindi pala siya pwedeng mag-contempt. Hindi pala pwedeng mag-contempt ang subcommittee. Oo. Yung committee lang, ang main committee lang ang pwedeng mag-contempt.
Ganyan, mag-agree yung iba, mag-disagree yung iba.
Now, what do you make of Representative Abante? We often talk about interparliamentary courtesy. What do you make of Representative Abante criticizing you, how you conducted yourself? When, let's face it, you and other colleagues don't criticize the lower house, or now they conduct their own hearings.
Ako nga, actually, I have refrained from commenting on how Quadcom conducts its hearings. Pero siguro, I will just allow that as Constituent Abante. Siguro,
Grabe, Constituent Abante. So dito, ipinakita ni Coco Pimentel kung ano lang ang mga levels ninyo. We are not on the same level. Maybe, parehas tayong mga representante ng Pilipinas, you being a congressman, me being a senator, pero yung level natin, hindi tayo pare-pareho. Why? Dan Fernandez, Abante, you are only voted by how many? By a handful of people. Oo, a handful of people lang ang bumoto sa inyo, kaya kayo nandiyan dyan sa kapangyarihan. We senators are being voted by the whole Philippines. Oo, buong Pilipinas ang bumoboto sa amin. National level ang aming constituency. Kayo hindi, ang constituency nyo, yung handful of people na nasa distrito nyo, yun lang. Wala nang iba. Ganun lang kayo kaliit, ganun lang kayo kababa, ganun lang kayo kawalang kwenta. Kaya huwag kayong mangingialam sa trabaho namin. Oo, huwag kayong mangingialam sa trabaho namin. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi kapag ginawa niyo yung batas, kaya namin patayin yan dito sa Senado. Kahit kung dumugo ang mga ilong ninyo, kakagawa ng mga batas nyo, pagdating sa amin, kaya namin patulugin yan.